Hello there and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can change your chat wallpaper on your Telegram. So just like you can do on WhatsApp, you can do same on Telegram as well. And even Telegram has advanced features. I'm going to show you how to do this. Very much simple and easy. So you hop on your Telegram like this and you select the chat you want to change the wallpaper of. So let me use this phone number here. Good. And let me drag this here to this side of the screen. So to change the wallpaper, what I need to do is tap on the three dots here and then I tap on the change. So you can use any of these themes by Telegram here. Let me tap on this to show you guys, and then you apply the theme and you're good to go. And you can also use a customized image. So let me tap on that. Let me come here once again and let me choose from my gallery. And let me select any image here. So let me select something like this. So here you can even choose to blur the image. You can also bring it in motion. It's going to be shaking when you change or when you move your phone, something like that. So let me do it blur, and you can apply it for only you. And if you're on Telegram Premium, you can see the padlock there. You can apply it for yourself and this phone number. So the wallpaper is going to change on their phone as well, even though they didn't do it. Only if you're on Telegram Premium, that's when you can do that. So here I just need to apply for me alone. So I apply for myself. And that's it on how you can change the wallpaper of a chat on Telegram. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.